breaking update, Congress crisis deepens. Congress sidelined by own allies after Mani Shankar Iyer's remarks. Now Congress ally MDMK dumps Congress in the state of Kerala. In fact, Vaiko has issued a statement saying have friendship with Congress, but Pinarayi Vijayan government will repeat in Kerala. So those are the details. Vaiko there batting for Pinarayi Vijayan in the state of Kerala after Mani Shankar Iyer. So Congress being sidelined by its own leaders and allies. Let's listen in to Vaiko has said.
My knowledge and information I got through from many quarters, the ensuing elections, Honorable Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan, under his leadership, the Marxist Party and its allied parties will win the polls. Therefore, the continue after this ensuing elections. This is my information. That is the confidence I have got.
Let's go straight across to Ashwin on this. Ashwin, after Mani Shankar Iyer, now Vaiko also speaking up, saying Pinarayi Vijayan government will repeat in Kerala, have friendship with the Congress is something that he has said. Take us through the details and what exactly was the statement that he made.
Absolutely, Radhika. In fact, the General Secretary of the MDMK, the Marumalarchi Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, was in city of Thiruvananthapuram for some book release, and during that he spoke to the media stating that though he has got friendship with the Congress leaders, he bats for the left government to come back to power in the state of Kerala. Now, this essentially happened just outside the Legislative Assembly, and just prior to this giving this bite, in fact, we saw Ramesh Chennithila, senior leader of the Congress, coming and hugging Vaiko, calling him brother. They all hugging, exchanging pleasantries. And then when NDTV specifically asked, you already have a good relation with Congress party, why don't you support the Congress? He said, no, we are fully with the left in this. We want Pinarayi Vijayan government to come to power. So certainly in the state of Tamil Nadu, there is a grand alliance where Vaiko is talking about, in fact, the India alliance winning over here. But at the same time, here in Kerala, when the India alliance members are both fighting each other, certainly he, instead of traditionally they should have been keeping quiet, but certainly Vaiko has taken a side on it, and certainly this is going to become a huge embarrassment for the Congress party in the state of Kerala, which is trying to win the election, because for the last 10 years it was Pinarayi Vijayan government which was here in power, and the traditional consecutive coming to power of the Congress and the CPM in the state was completely shattered last time. So certainly the Congress is looking to come back to power at this time. The Indie Bloc Alliance member batting for the left certainly is a headache for the grand old party. Radhika.
Certainly, this is a headache for the Congress party, not just Congress leaders, but also allies now batting for Pinarayi Vijayan as the Chief Minister of Kerala post the upcoming elections as well. Thank you, Ashwin, for all of those details. Fresh turbulence inside the India alliance. In the latest, DMK is now openly batting for Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Stalin to lead the alliance. Deputy Chief Minister Udayanithi Stalin said that Stalin has set an example for rest of the country and that state leaders must spearhead fight against the BJP. This comes close on the heels of Congress veteran Mani Shankar Iyer suggesting that Rahul Gandhi should step aside from the driver's seat of the India bloc and allow regional leaders to take the lead. Reactions have been swift. In West Bengal, Congress State General Secretary Suman Chaudhary has accused Iyer of angling for a Rajya Sabha berth. Meanwhile, TMC has asserted that Mamata Banerjee is the only leader mounting a sustained ideological challenge to the BJP. BJP, on its part, claims this exposes lack of faith in Rahul Gandhi within his own alliance.
அப்படிப்பட்ட இளைஞரணி தந்த நம்முடைய தலைவர் அவர்கள் இன்னைக்கு ஆட்சி அரசியல் ரெண்டுலயுமே இந்தியாவுக்கே ஒரு வழிகாட்டக்கூடிய ஒரு தலைவராக செயல்பட்டு கொண்டிருக்கிறார். அரசியல் எடுத்துக்கிட்டா இன்னைக்கு இந்திய அளவுல பாஜகவுக்கு எதிரான ஒரு ஜனநாயக போர நம்முடைய தலைவர் தலைமையில நடத்தணும்னு இன்னைக்கு இந்தியாவில் இருக்கக்கூடிய மற்ற மாநில தலைவர்கள்லாம் பேச ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க.
कि ममता दी के बजाय इंडिया अलायंस का आई और एन और डी और आई सब निकल जाएगा, क्योंकि ममता बनर्जी ही इस गठबंधन की नेता है और साथ साथ और 2-4 लोग हैं जो कि इस पद को हासिल कर सकते हैं। और मैं उम्मीद रखता हूँ कि बजाय राहुल गांधी इसी पद पर रहने की कोशिश करें, किसी और को जो छोटी पार्टियों का है, स्टालिन हो, ममता देवी हो, ममता दीदी हो, ये अखिलेश हो, तेजस्वी हो, और कोई संभाले तो उनके पास ज़्यादा टाइम रहेगा चलाने के लिए।
For a long time, Manishankar Iyer is not attached with any kind of political activity as far as Indian National Congress is concerned. Secondly, I want to ask Manishankar Iyer ji, have you got the information that 5 Rajya Sabha seats from West Bengal are falling vacant? Is that due to that reason that you want to expedite that the mantle of India bloc should go into the hand of Srimati Mamata Banerjee? Manishankar ji, do you know Mamata Banerjee acts as a behind the curtain stooge of Bharatiya Janata Party, against whom the India bloc is fighting? Manishankar Iyer ji, you are a very senior leader, though you are not in the Congress party for a long time, and once you joined the Trinamool Congress in Calcutta also. So I don't think staying away from the party, you have any stake in the decisions of the Congress party.
हमारा प्राइमरी ड्यूटी अभी है भाजपा को बुरी तरह से डिफीट करके 4th टाइम के लिए ममता बनर्जी का लीडरशिप में यहाँ पर सरकार होने वाली है। तो ये मणिशंकर आयर जी बहुत सीनियर लीडर है। सब लोग पूरा देश को देख रहे हैं, देश में देख रहे हैं कि भाजपा को कौन प्रॉपर आइडियोलॉजिकल बैटल किसके तरफ से आ रहा है। तो पूरा देश में एक ममता बनर्जी ही भाजपा को कॉम्बैट कर रहा है।
It is opinion of an individual leader like Mr. Manishankar Iyer. And let us see, even some journalists keep writing on that issue. Even today, there is a write-up that Mamata could be a face like that. There are many views coming out. It shows India bloc should function with cohesiveness and proper coordination.
सेकुलर का जो कंसेप्ट है वो 90s के बाद से ही भारत की जनता ने ठुकरा दिया और चाहे बाहर से कोई भी कितना सपना देखे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। कांग्रेस का जो राजनीति है वो पैरासाइट का राजनीति। कांग्रेस शाम ढलने के बाद किसी का दरबार पे पहुंच जाते हैं और खिड़की से ताक कर बोलते हैं कहो ना प्यार है, कहो ना प्यार है। ऐसे चलेगा नहीं।
That how alliance partner after alliance partner is showing Rahul Gandhi the mirror. First it was TMC who said Rahul hatao, India alliance bachao. Samajwadi Party also said that. We have seen the manner in which UBTCN has said that. Also after the shirtless, shameless act of Congress Party in the AI summit, all the alliance partners, RJD, Samajwadi Party, they have distanced themselves from Rahul Gandhi and from Congress Party. And now even the old veterans of Congress, they are also saying that they have no confidence in Rahul.
जिसमें भी थोड़ी शराफत बची है वो भले राजनीतिक विरोध हो, राहुल गांधी की कांग्रेस पार्टी के ये आचरण जिससे दुनिया में भारत की छवि गड़बड़ाई है कभी समर्थन नहीं करेगा।